Did you know you can create beautiful butterflies using just paper towels? That's right. In just a few minutes, we'll turn something simple into a colorful work of art. And today, I'll show you not just one, but 3 different butterfly designs you can make. Let's dive into this fun and easy craft project. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're making adorable paper towel butterflies. A perfect craft for kids of all ages, families, or classrooms. It's quick, fun, and best of all, you probably already have everything you need at home. Sometimes crafting feels overwhelming. You don't know where to start, the steps seem complicated, or you think you need special tools. But here's the good news. This project is beginner-friendly, can be done in minutes, and uses items you already have. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A paper towels, 2 sheets per butterfly, a washable markers in bright, vibrant colors, a spray bottle filled with water, clothespins, fuzzy sticks, a scissors for trimming different wing shapes, and a baking cookies tray to catch any water while you blend. It makes cleanup quick and easy. And optional extras like glitter, stickers, or googly eyes and glue. Tip number 1. Use thick paper towels so they don't tear when wet. Now, let's create designs that let your creativity fly. Step 1. Coloring. Let's start by coloring our paper towels with bright, fun patterns. Swirls, stripes, dots, or anything you like. Tip number 2. Combine 2 or 3 colors to create your unique design. This is the perfect chance for your child or you to get creative and let your imagination run wild. Then repeat the same steps for your second and third butterflies. Need ideas? Try warm tones like red, yellow, and orange for a fiery look. Or cool blues and greens for something calming. Don't worry if some colors mix and create new shades. That's part of the magic of this watercolor art technique. You can make a whole collection of butterflies using different colors and patterns. These easy kids crafts are perfect for decorating classrooms. This simple paper towel craft is a fun, eco-friendly way to teach color mixing, creativity, and patience. Step 2. Colors blending. Next, place your colorful paper towel on a tray or cookie sheet. Now for the fun part. Lightly spray water over the entire design. If you don't have a spray bottle, no problem. You can gently brush water on with a clean paintbrush. Watch the colors spread and blend. It's like watching your artwork come alive. How amazing is that? Have you tried this before? Let me know in the comments. Once your first towel is wet and the colors blend, set it aside to dry completely. While they're drying, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love easy, colorful crafts. Step 3. Design your butterfly wings and folding. Butterfly number 1. When your paper towels are dry, it's time to create the butterfly wings. For our first butterfly, leave the paper towel edges as they are. Fold each towel back and forth in an accordion or fan style. Pinch it tightly in the middle and secure it with a clothespin or pipe cleaner. Butterfly number 2. Pointed wings. For the second butterfly, fold your paper towel in half and use scissors to cut a gentle V shape along the edges before folding and clipping. This creates a more pointed, dramatic wing style. Fold each towel back and forth in an accordion or fan style. Pinch it tightly in the middle and secure it with a clothespin or pipe cleaner. Butterfly 3. Wavy or scalloped wings. For our third design, make small semi-circle cuts along the edges of the paper towel. Try to create your unique design. When you open it up, you'll have beautiful scalloped wings that look extra fancy. Fold each towel back and forth in an accordion or fan style. Pinch it tightly in the middle and secure it with a clothespin or pipe cleaner. Step 4. Personalize butterflies. Give your butterflies some extra magic. Twist the ends of a pipe cleaner to make cute little antennae, and your butterfly body is ready to fly. For the butterflies' bodies, you can decorate by coloring or adding glitter, or any stickers you have for an extra magical touch. Try it and watch your butterflies sparkle. It's amazing how just a tiny detail can bring them to life, making each one shimmer and truly stand out as your own unique creation. Here's our full collection of butterflies. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new project. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love quick and colorful crafts. Thanks for crafting with me today. Stay colorful and keep creating beautiful art with simple materials. If you enjoyed this easy DIY butterfly tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love quick and colorful crafts.